Welcome everyone to Always Wandering Art. In this video, we will be painting a northeastern woodland in winter. Enjoy. I'll be using the colors you see here and mostly flat brushes ranging from 1 inch to 1/4 inch. I wet the paper with the help of a tiny green spray bottle. While the paper is wet, I layer in raw sienna to give the sky a nice glow. Not worried about painting over any of the drawing because the trees will be darker than the sky. For a glow effect, add darker paint to the edges of the painting and leave the center light. Here comes the tree line all the way in the back. No need to worry about adding any detail because it's all the way in the back. With little to no water, use the dry brush technique to paint in the dormant winter grasses. I paint in the trees, stroking from the bottom up using a small flat brush. The eastern white pine's branches and needles are not as closely clustered together as a Christmas tree, so I'm trying to give it a more of an airy feel. Now I try to give the painting more depth by painting darker bushes and trees in the foreground. Starting to give the white pine some form by painting in branches with a smaller rigger brush. thin rigger brush to paint in the branches, pulling the brush away as the branches get thinner. Well, time to wrap up this painting by adding the winter shadows on the snow.